हाय फ्रेंड्स, हांव खंय आसा काय विचारता? म्हाका अशें दिसता की ह्या शहराच्या दगदग्यांतल्यान सुटोन हांव एका वेगळ्याच जगान आसा। आंबे, अननस, फणस हे सगळें पळोवन हो तांचो वास एकदम मनान भरला। सध्या हांव डीबी बांदोडकर मार्गाचेर आसा। बॉटनिकल सोसायटी ऑफ इंडिया आनी सीसीपीच्या जोड पालवान गेली 11 वर्सां जाली हो महोत्सव घडोवन हाडटात। शेतकरी आनी वेवसायिकांक हो महोत्सव खूब फायद्याचो आसा। चला तर पळोवया ह्या महोत्सवान कसल्यो गोष्टी आसात वेगवेगळ्यो त्यो। अपर्णा ऑनेरा
राबोया मातसो। अरे काय बरो आंबो आसा, आंबो हलून कशें शूटिंग करता रे।
आगो तू आंबोत खायत बसतले का आमी कितें तरी लोकांकूय दाखयतले हांगा कितें आसा ते कोकण महोत्सवान?
इतलो टेस्टी आसा अविनाश की तू मातशें काम कर मरे ते।
चल चल आता टाइम काडनाका बेश्टो, चल या आमी आता।
बरें चल तर।
चल तर।
अशें म्हणटात गोंयांत जसो माणकुराद तसो कोकणांतलो हापूस फळांचो राजा। माणकुराद गोंयकाराचो स्पेशल। माणकुरादा शिवाय मायाच्या दिसांनी बाजाराक सोबा येना। माणकुराद आतां मार्केटान दिसपाक लागला। मात ह्या कोकण फ्रूट फेस्टिवलांत माणकुरादच न्ही, फक्त आंबेच पळोवचे जाल्यार 20-25 तरेचे आसतले। ह्यो जाती आमकां हरशीं पळोवपाक सुद्दां मेळनात। हांगा तुमी जाय जाल्यार ते विकते घेवन खायात।
आमी आतां एका स्टॉलान आयिल्ले आसा, ते एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाचे स्टॉल आसा। आमच्या वांगडा आतां जांबळे सर आसात, ते आमकां एक्सप्लेन करतले की कितल्या प्रकारचे आंबे हांगा तेंच्यांनी दवरलेले आसा। सर, हांगा कितल्या तरेचे आंबे आसात?
आमी सादारणचे 25 व्हरायटीज हांगा दवरलेले आसा आणि मुख्य म्हणजे गोंयचो जो राजा आसा माणकुराद, तोय आमी प्रामुख्यान दवरलेलो आसा आणि त्याचे बरोबर आणि सादारणचे 25 व्हरायटी वेगवेगळ्यो व्हरायटी आमी दवरलेले आसा। आणि जड करून हे सगळ्यो व्हरायटी ज्यो आसा ते गोंयच्या शेतकऱ्यांनी आपल्या शेतांत लायिल्ल्यो व्हरायटी आसा। हो बॉल आंबो आसा तो जसो माणकुराद टेस्ट आसा तशी बॉल आंब्याक टेस्ट ना। तो एक सादारणसो बल्की आंबो आसा आणि तितको टेस्ट येना, म्हणटकूच चड करून शेतकार ते चड लावपाक वचना। त्याच्या नंतर आमचे कडेन एक सिंधू व्हरायटी आसा, की भायली व्हरायटी पूण आतां गोंयांत खूब वर्सां जाल्ली जावन आसा, ती सगळे शेतकार लायता आसा।
ती सिंधू व्हरायटी एक हापूसाचोच एक भाग आसा?
हापूस आणि हायब्रिडायझेशन करून ही सिंधू व्हरायटी जाल्ली आसा। त्याच्या नंतर ही अल्फान्सो, हे सगळ्यांक खबर आसा। अल्फान्सो महाराष्ट्रात किंवा कोकण बेल्टात सामको किंग आसा। त्या प्रमाणे आतां गोंयांतूय बी खुबशे लोक लायता। मागीर भीष्म म्हणून एक जात आसा, मातशी लेट हार्वेस्टिंग तिचें लेट जाता। मागीर गोवा मालदेस आंबो, तितून 2 व्हरायटी आसा, साश्टी मालदेस आणि बार्देस मालदेस, ह्यो दोनूय व्हरायटी आमचे कडेन आसा। त्याच प्रमाणे भीष्म म्हणटा तो मोठो आंबो, ताका टेस्ट ना, तुका यू कॅन से त्याची टेस्ट सादारणशी पपाया सारखी आसता, पूण मोठो सादारणसो 1.5 किलो 1 किलोचो वजनाचो तो आंबो आसता। परत मालगोवा हो बारीक आंबो, टेस्टीन बरो आसा आणि कंपेरेटिवली सादारणशे माणकुरादा बरोबर तो टेस्टाक रावता आणि लोकांची त्याची पसंती बरी आसा। मागीर हो जहांगीर ही भायली व्हरायटी, यूपीची व्हरायटी आमी आतां आमच्या फार्मान लायिल्ली आसा। तितकी हें ना, कितें तितकी उठाव ना तिका ते व्हरायटीक, पूण हेजे स्पेसमॅन म्हणून आमी लायिल्ले आसा। परत तोतापुरी चड करून पिकलाक वयता आणि किंवा हो लेट उरता, किंवा एक 6 म्हयने सुद्दां तेजें प्रोडक्शन उरता। जानेवारी टू से अप टू जून पर्यंत तो हार्वेस्ट करपाक मेळटा इन वेरियस स्टेजीस, म्हणजे बिगिनींग एज ए तोरा म्हणून किंवा इवन एट द रायपनिंग स्टेज। मागीर तो पळय तो आम्रपाली जो आसा तो इज ए व्हेरी गूड व्हरायटी। आम्रपाली त्याचे बरोबर त्याच बरोबर रत्न म्हणून आसा। हे दोनूय व्हरायटी बऱ्यो आसा। रत्न तर एकदम स्वीट व्हरायटी आणि ताका भितर जी कोय जी आसता ती एकदम कमी आणि पल्प जो आसता तो पल्प खूब आसता। त्या प्रमाणे म्हाका पसंती हांव जाल्यार माणकुरादावन रत्न इज मोर प्रिफरेबल फॉर पल्प पर्पज। आणि हो एक करल आंबो आसा, तो फक्त चड करून पिकल पर्पजाक वापरता। गोंयांत खंयच्याय तर ग्रामीण भागात गेलो जाल्यार लोणचें कसलें घालता काय जाल्यार विचारलें जाल्यार तुमकां सांगतले की करेलाचें लोणचें घालता म्हणून। मागीर थोडे ते एक्झॉटीक वरायटी आसा म्हणजे केन्नाय जे भायल्या देशांतल्यो वरायटी ज्यो आसा त्यो एक 3 वरायटी आमी थंय दवरलेल्यो आसा. त्याच प्रमाणे थंय फुर्ताद म्हणून आंबो आसा, मागीर शावियर आसा, मागीर कुलास आसा. ही एक वरायटी माया म्हणून ती हायब्रिडायजेशन वरायटी ऑफ युपींतल्यान आयिल्ली आसा. मागीर मधुमिका म्हणून आसा.
म्हणजे हांगा तुमच्याकडे जवळजवळ 40 ते 50 तरेच्यो व्हरायटीज हांगा आसात तुमच्याकडे.
हय, आमचे कडेन आमी आतां स्टॉलार सादारणच्यो इतक्यो वरायटी दवरलेल्यो आसा. आमच्या एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटान म्हणजे आमच्या फार्माचेर आसा त्याच प्रमाणे शेतकारांचे वेरियस म्हणजे काणकोण पासून पेडणे पर्यंत खुबशे शेतकाऱ्यांनी ह्यो जाती आमच्यो आपल्या फार्मात लायिल्ल्यो आसा. ह्यो सगळ्यो जाती ज्यो आसा त्यो ह्या जमनीक किंवा ह्या हवामानाक बरे उठाव दिता, ग्रोथूय बरो आसा, तातूंत प्रॉब्लेम कांय ना. फक्त प्रॉब्लेम एकूच जाता असो की किंमत, जशी माणकुरादाक किंमत मेळटा तशी ह्या वरायटीक तितकी किंमत मेळना. म्हणटकूच सगळे जाण शेतकार जे आसा ते चड करून माणकुरादूच लावपाक पसंत करता.
कोंकण फ्रूट फेस्टिवल 2003 वर्सा सावन हांगा चलता. पणजेचो आदलो महापौर अशोक नायकाची ही मूळ कल्पना. शारांतले लायफ आयज इतलें फास्ट जालां, लोकांक असल्या गजालीक उसन मेळना. ह्या फेस्टिवलाच्या नांवान 4 गजाली नवी फळफळावळ पळोवपा खातीर पणजेकार वेळ काडटात. हांगा वेगवेगळ्या तरेची फळां, फुलां, कलमां, वखदी झाडांची रोपां, त्या फळांचे तरतरेचे जिन्नस अश्यो कितल्योश्योच गजाली एके कडेन पळोवपाक, विकत्यो घेवपाक मेळटात.
Now at present we are in the botanical store at Konkan Fruit Festival. We have Mr. Miguel Braganza with us, and here there are big various sizes of fruits. It seems they are for competition, so he will tell us more about it. So can you tell us what is the stall all about?
This is basically the competition stall where we have fruits brought in by different growers, whether they are farmers or whether they are just homemakers who are growing them in around their house. They have brought this for the competition, and there will be prizes given to them.
So I can see various sizes of jackfruits here. Can you tell us more about it?
Yeah, jackfruit is a fruit that is now getting popularity in India and the world over, especially for jackfruit chips, because it is nutritious, contains vitamin A, prevents night blindness, and it's tasty and better than eating potatoes all the time.
There are various kind of papayas also. There are different type of papayas.
There are many different types of papayas now. We have the local one, which is normally yellow-fleshed, and we have the popular red-fleshed variety, which is there in the market, which is called the Taiwan Red Lady, because it's imported from there, the seeds. And papaya is a very healthy fruit, also contains high levels of vitamin A, besides minerals, and a very good fruit to go. What we have over here are the bananas of the Mindoli type, or what's locally known as the Moira bananas. They are big and they are different because they have to be cooked. They are not normally eaten when ripe, though many of us like to eat them when they're slightly overripe and when the skin turns black.
So this is the same bananas which are used for banana halwa, which is known as Karacho halwa in Goa.
Definitely, this banana halwa, banana fritters, also banana chips are made out of this banana.
So avlas, we can hardly see any avlas in Goa. Can you say something about it?
Yeah, unfortunately, many of the trees on the hillsides have been cut to make plantations, but avla is a fruit of the summer, very high in vitamin C, which is required to build up resistance to sunstroke and all colds and coughs that come with the change of weather. And avla is definitely a tree that can be planted. The Konkan Krishi Vidyapit, which is participating here, they have selected superior types of avlas which can be grown and can have very good production. We have quite a few people who have planted them in Goa now.
So these are the pineapples. You can find, now these are green in color, you can find yellow also in color. What is the difference between two pineapples?
Basically, the green pineapples which are ripe and ready to eat are of the giant Q varieties, You have the other variety which is known as Queen, which becomes orangish yellow, and you have also the Mauritius variety which becomes reddish yellow when ripe. So different varieties are developed for different purposes. The Queen variety is a table variety for you to eat fresh. But if you want to can slices, then almost cylindrical body is there in the giant Queen. It's easier to can them with least amount of wastage. But it's not so sweet as the other ones.
So we can also see variety of binnas here. Some are small and very bloody red like, and some are different in color. Can you tell us something about this?
Yes, kokum is the fruit of the future. It contains hydroxycitric acid, which controls obesity and also balances the cholesterol, the high density and the low density cholesterol, and very much in demand. It's actually a very surprising thing that the ancient people here in Goa knew about the value of binna. No one had tested, no one knew about hydroxycitric acid, but they knew that when you make curries with fish or with meat, that if you put binnas in that, you don't really have to worry about your health. The binnas take care of you.
So I can find some different kind of fruit here. Can you tell me what it is?
Yeah. This particular fruit is the mangosteen. It's related to a binna. Binnas are Garcinia indica. This is Garcinia mangostana. And this is eaten differently from kokum or binna. The inside pulp of this is relished, and it's highly priced, especially in Malaysia and the Far East. One of this mangosteen may sell for as much as $1.50.
It has become one of the identical fruit of Goa and Goans. Can you tell us something about it?
The cashew fruit actually came from Latin America to India. Most likely came with a stopover in Angola and Mozambique and then grown here. It has been brought to Goa actually for soil conservation. No one made cashew feni out of it till Goa started making it. And all over the world, the cashew nut is prized, but in Goa, the cashew apple is prized because that gives you the season surak and the year's feni.
Sir, this is yet another fruit which I have not seen earlier. Can you tell us more about this?
This particular fruit is the lakucha. It's related to the jackfruit, and in Goa they make a souring agent out of it by drying the chips, known as dovisola. Just as you have kokum's tamadisola, you have dovisola of this, used for souring curries, especially in Konkan and Sange. The fruit is not easily seen elsewhere in Goa.
Sir, any local name for this fruit?
Yes, this is known as warmt or otma. Otma.
Sir, this fruit is locally known as mawing, right?
Mawing or the citron, the Citrus grandis, is a fruit which is used in medicine. Citrus medica is what it's commonly known as now, and it belongs to the same family as lemons and limes. But this has so many medicinal properties that in Goa you will find it in almost every village, one tree somewhere, because you don't know when you need it.
Something different, very colorful, having many colors in it. Can you tell us something?
This particular stage of jambu actually can be used as a hair decoration. Just as we use cherries, the Indian cherries or kanta, this also can be used as a hair decoration. It's very beautiful. The jamun seeds are very good in controlling diabetes. Quite often dried and powdered and kept in the house to have with a little bit of honey when your diabetes goes up. Especially in the festival season around Diwali and Christmas, when you eat a lot of sweets, you have a little bit of jamun seed powder.